The United States Corporation, discharging public debt and reclaiming your remedy. The H.J.R. 192 Insurance Policy, How the Government Avoids Treason. Hidden in plain sight, the secret trust funds of the American people. From human capital to secured creditor, navigating the UCC. The Great Registration Fraud, reclaiming your equitable title. Modern government structures are not what they appear to be. High-ranking officials, including the President and members of Congress, are essentially agents of private corporations like the United States Incorporated, often paid through international financial systems. Since 1913, legislation has moved the American people from a position of sovereignty into a status of human capital or property. The 14th Amendment created a new class of federal citizenship that allowed individuals to volunteer into a democracy regulated by the District of Columbia, rather than remaining in the original Republic of the several states. This shift was solidified through the registration of births, marriages, and property, which effectively surrendered legal title to the state in exchange for privileges and benefits. The 1933 bankruptcy of the United States led to House Joint Resolution 192, H.J.R. 192, which serves as an insurance policy for legislators against charges of treason. Because the government removed gold as a medium of exchange, it became impossible for the people to pay debts in substance. Instead, H.J.R. 192 provided a remedy, the ability to discharge debts using the credit of the people. When the government registers a birth, it creates a fictional entity, a strawman represented by a name in all capital letters. This entity is used as collateral for the national debt. However, because this registration occurred without full disclosure, it constitutes a constructive fraud for which a remedy must be provided. The remedy lies in the Uniform Commercial Code, UCC. By filing a UCC-1 financing statement and a security agreement, a living individual can register a security interest in their artificial entity, the all-caps name. This establishes the individual as the holder in due course and the primary creditor with a priority claim over the entity. Furthermore, the profits generated by the government's investment of these registered titles must, by law, be held in trust for the benefit of the equitable title holders, the people. These funds are available to discharge public debts, such as taxes, fines, and judgments, attributed to the artificial person. To access this remedy, one must notify the Secretary of the Treasury and utilize the chargeback process. This involves using the Social Security number as a trust account number to discharge public liabilities. By understanding that the bill or presentment received from a public agency is actually the energy required to charge the debt artificial entity, a secured party creditor can return a negotiable instrument to the Treasury to zero out the account. This system allows the resourceful individual to move from the status of an accommodating party for a debtor to a sovereign creditor who manages their own financial and political affairs.